family. Let me just inform you guys of what's going on. This right here is the homemade bread. Bread from scratch, made from scratch. Here's Cece over there feeding her faces.
Make you want to reach out and slap your mama.
And your daddy. Underneath this we have the mozzarella vegan cheese underneath, you know. This was prepared earlier today. I'm just now taking it out the crock pot. We had a long day, so I made my bread a little bit late. And, yeah, here it goes. Cece said I put my foot in this.
Both foots.
This is almost
ankles, knees, toes,
head, shoulders, knees, and toes, all up in it, right? Almost like putting in with bread, but better.
Yes.
Here we go. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. You ready? 1, 2, 3. And this bread is death. We have some garlic in it and some vegan butter. But these are, 16 beans up in here. 16 beans up in here. Some rice, some celery, some carrots. Yeah, and that's it. Gotta go. Gotta go. We shouldn't even be eating this late.
I know.
But who's judging us? Our bread. Almost like a Panera bread, but better. Yes. All right, family, I gotta go. 2 6.